This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled beetroot. First, choose about 2 pounds of fresh, firm beetroots, ideally small to medium in size, for optimal flavor and texture. Next, gather your pickling essentials: white vinegar, granulated sugar, pickling salt, and your favorite spices like cloves or bay leaves. Finally, prepare your canning jars by sterilizing them thoroughly. This is a crucial step for safe and long-lasting preservation. Now, let's cook those beautiful beetroots. Wash them well, but leave the skin and about 1 inch of the stem on to prevent color bleeding. Place them in a large pot, cover with water, and bring to a boil. Cook for 20 to 30 minutes or until they are fork tender. Once cooked, drain and cool them under cold water. The skins will then slip off easily, and you can slice them into rounds or wedges. The pickling liquid is where the magic happens. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Next, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. You can also include a few whole cloves or a bay leaf for extra flavor. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring constantly until all the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. This creates a perfectly balanced brine. Almost done. Carefully pack your sliced beetroots into the sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Then, pour the hot pickling liquid over the beetroots, making sure they are completely covered. Remove any air bubbles, then wipe the jar rims clean. Seal the jars tightly with their lids and rings. Let them cool completely before storing them in a cool, dark pantry for at least 2 weeks before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.